powered by BrainyBuyer.com, where real data meets real-world reviews. If our side-by-side breakdowns save you time and money, please tap that subscribe button so we can keep digging for the truth behind the specs. Alright, so we're comparing the Nexgrill Deluxe 2-burner B0 BWPFN-PXX and the Nexgrill Deluxe 6-burner B0 BWPC5P2M. First thing, the 6-burner is significantly bigger, right?
Definitely. The 2-burner has a 401 SQ in cooking area, whereas the 6-burner boasts a whopping 770 SQ in, plus a 200 square in warming rack. That's a huge difference. If you're cooking for a crowd, the 6-burner is the clear winner.
Yeah, no kidding. And the BTU output reflects that too. The 2-burner puts out 28,000 BTUs, while the 6-burner cranks out 60,000. Faster cooking, more even heat, all that good stuff. But what about those fancy extras?
Well, the 6-burner has a ceramic searing side burner with 15,000 BTUs, which is awesome for getting that perfect sear on steaks. Plus, it comes with a rotisserie kit. You can do a whole chicken or roast. The 2-burner? Just foldable side tables, which are nice, but
not quite as exciting. Okay, so the 6-burner is the king of features and size. But what about the downsides? I see the 2-burner is way cheaper, like around $265, compared to $699 for the 6-burner.
That's a huge price gap, yeah? And size-wise, the 2-burner is much more compact, only about 42 inches wide and 70 pounds. The 6-burner is almost 59 inches wide, and it's a hefty 124 pounds. So if you're short on space or need something portable, the 2-burner makes more sense.
So it really depends on your needs. Small family, limited space, occasional grilling. The 2-burner seems perfect. Big family, frequent entertainer, and wants all the bells and whistles? The 6-burner is the way to go.
Exactly. And don't forget about the rotisserie kit. That alone might sway some people. But yeah, it boils down to space, budget, and how serious you are about your grilling.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.